Hello everyone, my name is Melanie Finn. I am an author, an adventurer, a writer, a scriptwriter, a mom. This year I am the judge for the 72-hour Tap into Film Slam competition. Last year my novel The Hare won the Vermont Book Award, and I am the writer and producer of the film Crimson Wing Mystery of Flamingos with my husband, Matt Aberhard. When I grew up in Kenya, I loved being out in the natural world. We had a python in our garden, gorgeous glittering birds, and crazy insects like the shangolala. But it wasn't until I met Matt in Serengeti, Tanzania, that I really came to understand what's going on out there. I started to see the incredible complexity and connectivity. I started to appreciate how amazing it is that we are part of that, and it's going on all the time, all around us. And now for your first script element. So that is the sequence or scene that has to go in your film. I started to think about how Judging Day is Mother's Day and what it is that moms are really good at, especially our big mother, Earth. I have a recipe for pancakes that's super simple. It's just eggs, milk, a little bit of flour, a little bit of salt, and a dash of oil. But it's the alchemy of putting all those things together that makes them special. It's making sure the heat of the skillet is perfect. It's getting the maple syrup from our lovely neighbor's sugar bush. It's gathering the apples and blackberries in the early fall, and it's being all together at the table on a Sunday morning. I want you to think about Mother Nature's recipes, how she makes things out there grow and flourish. A little sun, a little rain, rich soil, murky pond mud, slimy frog's eggs. It's not just the ingredients, but the process. That's what makes a story. The relationships, how things work together. If you get a chance to watch our film, Crimson Wing, you'll see how the lake and the flamingos are part of an extraordinary collaboration. I hope that you will join me, Matt, and the other judges on kickoff night for a wildlife filmmaking workshop where we will help you craft your award-winning wildlife film. Both Matt and I think there isn't enough creativity in the wildlife film industry. It's all, and now the cheetah creeps through the long grass, stalking its prey. We want you to be creative, almost outrageous, instinctive, maybe a little crazy, brave. Make your own film about your own experience of wildlife. Answer the question for yourself. What does wildlife film mean to me? I will see you at Tap into Film's 72-hour wildlife film competition. I can't wait to see your films.